Hey, I'm Drew Boyd. You may know me from one of my keynote addresses, or maybe you've been in one of my corporate training programs. Perhaps you listen to my podcast or read my blog, or maybe you've seen me on one of my many video training courses on LinkedIn Learning. If you have, you know that I've been spreading the word and teaching creativity and innovation all over the world in many industries. What I do is a very special thing. I teach people to use their brain in a completely different way to produce new-to-the-world ideas they wouldn't have produced otherwise. It's an amazing experience to go through my program and know that you can be a creative person no matter where you're starting from on the creativity scale. Well, I have good news. I can deliver the exact same program that I do in person from right here in my office virtually. Online programs are a great way to get a lot of people together quickly without all the travel and meeting expenses. But what about the experience? I guarantee I can give your audience the same fun, life-changing experience that I do in person from right here. The online video platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams give me all the tools I need to do the same thing I do in a live performance. I can break people into teams. I can have those teams working interactively. I can send them to virtual breakout rooms. I can give your audience the feeling that they're experiencing the best motivational program of their life. My clients are telling me that online programs feel more intimate because everybody's right there, fully engaged, in the comfort of their own surroundings, totally immersed in what's going on. So if you want to energize your team and get them to think differently, and you want to do it right now, let's connect, and I'll show you how.